I enjoyed looking at the station buildings and other paraphernalia whilst waiting for the locomotive to arrive. Always good for model making ideas. So here the Flying Scotsman is coming into Kidderminster from, I believe, Bewdley, where it's been overnight, and it will get ready for the 9 o'clock train to Bridgnorth. The Flying Scotsman was built in 1923 as a locomotive for LNER, that's the London and North East Railway. It gained fame because it was at the British Empire exhibition in 1924, and then it was given the name of the Flying Scotsman in 1924 because it ran the service between London and Edinburgh on the East Coast Main Line. Apparently it was the first steam locomotive to reach 100 miles an hour. This was an exciting viewpoint to watch the train go through. We were at the crossing at Trimpley Reservoir. So I was with my buddy Rich from Rich on Rails, worth checking out on YouTube, and we set up with this great valley view at Eardington. On the return from Bridge North to Kidderminster, the Flying Scotsman had to go tender first. A beautiful rake of carriages. And then here we're back at Trimpley. it is back at Kidderminster. The train is slightly too long for the current platform at Kidderminster, so people in carriage I had to walk through carriage H and I to get to their seats. I don't suppose it bothered them, just a statement for interest, and apparently Kidderminster are actually extending their platform this winter. And let's finish off with just 4 photographs to show you some close-ups of this beautiful locomotive. We were able to take a photograph into the cab. I'm not sure what he thought of all the attention. I expect he was not surprised. Everybody wants to see the Flying Scotsman after all. And the paintwork was immaculate. So that just remains really for me to say thank you for watching. There'll be another video shortly about me taking a journey on the train behind the Flying Scotsman, so please look out for that. And if you haven't already, please do like and subscribe. It really is appreciated. Thank you. Bye now.